Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to add a watcher in ClickUp. So first thing you will have to do is to go over to project where you want to add the watcher in and go over to the specific task. So in my case it's this task 1, which as you can see is in progress and have one assignee. So if I want anything else than an assignee, it's called watcher. So I will have to select this right here. And as you can see down here, it says one task selected. Once this is done, you have to go right here to these 3 dots that it says more, and then choose watchers right here. Click on it. Then just click on the people that you want to set as watchers. And you can also check this box if you want to send notifications to them. You can also search for the people or enter an email if there are multiple people and you don't want to search through them. So thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.